At over 300 kilometers per hour, this machine defines modern high-speed travel. But before it ever reaches the rails, it begins here, inside a precision-controlled factory. This is how a high-speed train is built. This is the Siemens high-speed train platform, engineered for performance, efficiency, and precision at scale. Every component begins as raw material, where the manufacturing process starts from the ground up. Automated systems retrieve raw aluminum alloy sheets and position them precisely for the initial inspection process. Laser measurement systems carefully verify thickness to ensure each sheet meets strict structural tolerance requirements. All materials are now fully inspected, meeting quality standards, and ready for the next forming stage. High-pressure coolant stabilizes cutting temperature to protect surface integrity during machining. Digital measurement systems scan formed panels to verify strict geometric tolerance accuracy. Optical inspection systems scan curved aluminum surfaces to detect micro-level structural defects. All components are now fully shaped, inspected, and prepared for the welding integration process. High-energy laser systems fuse aluminum panels into continuous structural sections with precise thermal control. Friction stir welding forms solid-state joints, creating seamless connections without melting the base material. Ultrasonic inspection systems scan weld seams to detect internal defects and ensure structural integrity. 3D laser scanning verifies alignment and confirms each welded module is ready for structural assembly. Automated alignment systems position structural modules with precise dimensional control. Hydraulic clamping systems secure the structure, forming a rigid three-dimensional frame. Ultrasonic inspection verifies weld strength across all critical load-bearing sections. Digital validation confirms the assembled structure is stable and ready for further integration. 5-axis CNC machining shapes the raw aluminum nose module, defining its primary structural curvature. Laser scanning systems analyze the curved surface geometry, capturing precise dimensional data. Laser measurement verifies curvature accuracy across the unfinished surface, ensuring aerodynamic consistency. The nose module remains structurally open and validated, ready for integration into the main car body assembly.
The airflow simulation confirms our initial geometry projections.
That data validates the structural integrity of the nose module.
Heavy-duty robotic systems position the Bogey frame into the assembly station, forming the base structure of the drivetrain module. Laser measurement systems verify axle alignment to ensure stable high-speed performance. Digital probes inspect hydraulic coupling connections, ensuring precise sealing and stable suspension performance. The standalone Bogey assembly is fully completed and validated for integration into the train system. Synchronized lifting systems lower the car body onto the Bogey units with controlled precision. Laser alignment systems ensure exact positioning at the central coupling interface. Load measurement systems verify balanced weight distribution across all axles. The car body and bogie are fully integrated, forming a unified structural platform. Digital twin systems guide the complex routing of high-voltage networks through the aluminum car body.
Where to next?
Automated insulation testers verify safety and resistance levels across every electrical connection. Signal inspection systems scan fiber optic lines to ensure stable and continuous data transmission. The electrical infrastructure is fully integrated and validated for the next production stage.
And ready for power activation.
Automated crane systems position pantographs onto high-voltage ceramic insulators with controlled precision. Laser measurement systems verify electrical clearances to ensure safe high-voltage operation. Robotic systems install aerodynamic fairings around roof equipment, optimizing airflow across the train structure. Roof-mounted power and climate systems are fully installed and validated for the next production stage. The raw aluminum surface is carefully cleaned and prepared, ensuring perfect adhesion for the next coating layers. Precision scanning systems map every contour of the train body, detecting microscopic imperfections before finishing begins. Automated coating systems apply uniform protective layers, enhancing durability while preserving aerodynamic smoothness. Final inspection systems verify surface quality, bleeding, and coating integrity, confirming the train is ready for high-speed operation. The completed train enters the testing bay, where all systems are prepared for final validation. High-pressure cleaning systems remove any remaining residue, ensuring a pristine surface for inspection. Final inspection teams verify alignment, system integrity, and operational readiness before deployment. From raw materials to a fully engineered high-speed system, every process has led to this final machine. Precision, automation, and human expertise come together to define the future of modern rail transport. This is not just a train, it is a complete expression of engineering at industrial scale.
NextGen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.